Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we're talking about how to get free shipping in Trendyol. So guys, first off, to clear out some of the dust and let you understand, there's no magic button that lets you get free shipping. If the seller allows free shipping, maybe on a certain item, you can do this and you can get it for free, delivered to you, of course. If not, then you can't. So if you wish to find one, you just need to look for certain items. Well, say let's take this one. And as you can see, we have the code applied and we have a discount, which is almost a half of the price. And also along this, we also have free shipping. So as you can see, it says in the green, estimated delivery 1 to 5th December, and you have free shipping and delivery. So you just find these kind of items that are labeled with free shipping and you enjoy these kind of money savings. Also, you can scroll all the way up, and as you can see, we have this little button that says free shipping from that's my local currency, never mind. You press on this and you can check out the terms that apply on free shipping. This page is a little bit underdeveloped, but you can still read about the free shipping in here. As you can see, we have which shipping company actually delivers. And yeah, guys, just scroll down. You can also go to categories if you wish and find items in here and get free shipping. Just make sure to find one that has it. As you can see, this item also has free shipping. So there's lots of items that have the delivery for free. And that's it, guys. Enjoy the free shipping, enjoy the savings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.